Push on through. Whoa, Lord, got to keep
Okay, so it's day one. We're starting our challenge right now. Hashtag why. Let's go, let's get it.
grooving where I can be, where I can be found. Lord, they're coming after me. I've been accused on my mission.
So firstly, I just want to thank everyone for coming. You guys are making a change. I'm healthy this week.
Does it look like it?
Any other questions?
Just gonna do a quick game of netball. Getting into our teams. We're gonna start it up. Yeah, 10 minutes later, the ball hasn't even been passed. Look. Samosa, bro.
I've got two boys and a woman. And I know they won't suffer now. Just forgive me for not going back. But I'll be there anyhow. Yes, I'll be there anyhow. I got to keep on moving. Lord, I got to get on down. Lord, I got to keep on moving. Where I can't be found. Lord, they're coming after me. Tell Ziggy I'm fine and to keep the dollar in line. 'Cause we're soon now we are.
Everybody ready? All right, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Now, can everybody give me their best model pose? 3, 2, 1. All right. Now, give me your ugliest, scariest pose. 3, 2. Oh, natural, natural, natural. There you go. Beautiful.
Oh, nice.
That's it. Done. Day one. Done. In the bank. Good.
Lord, they're coming after me. Lord, I got to keep on moving. Lord, got to get on